Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to add files to a folder on your computer, step by step. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Method 1. Drag and drop. Step 1. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the File Explorer icon in the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key E. Step 2. Next, navigate to the folder where you want to add your files. Click on the folder to open it. Step 3. Now to add your files, simply use your mouse to drag the files from their current location and drop them into the folder. Method 2. Cut and paste. Step 1. First, select the files you want to add to the folder. Right-click on the selected files and choose either Cut or Copy, depending on whether you want to move or duplicate the files. Step 2. Then, go to the folder where you want to add the files. Right-click inside the folder and choose Paste from the menu. Your files will now be added to the folder. And that's it. You've now learned how to add files to a folder in 2 simple ways. Thanks for watching.